Have you been working online and you're constantly bombarded by seasons where you have no clients, and I call them dry seasons where you just don't have clients, or you're looking to get started working online and you don't know where to start, what to offer, how to just narrow down your services? Then stay tuned, because this video I'm going to give you the best advice you'll ever get on making money working online. Hi, my name is Faith. I'm the founder and CEO of Digital Space Kenya. I help startups, small and new business owners be bold, be authentic, and build magnetic brands by leveraging the power of media imagery and online marketing. So stay with me, because I'm going to break down the different aspects that every business has, and those are the different aspects that a lot of business owners are constantly looking for help, especially right now online. People are transitioning into getting a lot of people working online for them. So I'm going to break down the three important aspects of business that are observed over time. Working with a lot of business owners from all over the world, everyone is constantly looking for someone to help in those areas. And I know there are a lot of videos that will give you tips and tools and all those things about working and making money online. But the thing is, for example, if someone tells you, okay, so here are 10 sites that you can sign up today and start making money, yeah, that's a good thing. But then you can't constantly be dependent on just, okay, here are 10 sites. In those sites, what are you going to be offering? What are you going to be doing? You have to really know, what are business owners looking for? What type of help do they need, so that I can position myself to fit in those categories, okay? So the first aspect of business that every business owner is always looking for help is in the operation side. And I talk about operation, this is everything from that is literally like the administration aspect of the business, from filtering emails to calendar management to appointment scheduling to researching, basic research, data entry. So every single aspect of business that is operational, that is an area that no business really functions without that operation side. So if you position yourself to offer help to business owners in the operation side of the business, then your services will constantly be needed. So you just need to figure out, okay, under operation, what are some of the needs of different businesses? And you can even go to to an extra step and just research and ask yourself, what are some of the what industries can I niche down to? So for example, if you decide that you want to work with business owners in, say, the real estate industry or media industry or whatever industry, or coaching and online courses, so just go and Google operations of an online coaching business, or operations of a real estate business. Then you'll see what they need. For example, in real estate, I know a lot of people need a lot of data entry and booking appointments, scheduling appointments. So that's very important. So just, you need to know, what are these business owners looking for? Then you position yourself to offer that service that they're constantly looking for. The second aspect of the business that is very important is customer experience. So so clients are coming into the business. Every business owner needs some help in terms of just answering questions that the clients have, ensuring that the clients are happy. And for example, I've seen I remember when I was just starting, I used to work with business owners, helping them to respond to clients on social media. So for example, people have sent messages on social media and they can't manage all these aspects of the business. And sometimes I've also realized that a lot of business owners get overwhelmed because they're trying to do all these things on their own. So you can find a way of positioning yourself to be able to offer that help, and so that someone sees that this is value. And you can tell someone, you know what, the time that you're taking to answer to questions on social media and just do basic customer service, I could take up that load for you. Then you can focus on your area of genius. And sometimes it even gets worse, because now they're overwhelmed with a lot of different things that they're doing. They forget to offer to take care of these small tiny tasks. So you position yourself in a way that you're going to bring value to the business. You're going to take off the load from them, so that they can focus on the main aspects of their business, so that you can take up this aspect of their business, okay? The customer support or experience aspect of their business. the third area that is very, very, very fundamental for every business, both small, startup, or even grown business, is the sales and marketing aspect. This is very powerful. And right now, a lot of marketing is going into video marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing. So this is an area to also tap into. And the thing about digital marketing is not something that you learn today and you say, hey, I got it, I'm an expert in digital marketing. It changes every day. Search engine changes every day. Social media and marketing changes every day. So you have to constantly keep growing your skills and learning new trends that are going on. So what I'd say is, if you want to be able to position yourself so that you don't have those dry seasons, is you need to be able to be flexible around these three aspects of the business. And I'm saying this because I've worked with business owners, a lot of business owners in the past, and I've always positioned myself to be able to do all these aspects of the business. And this is the thing, I'm not saying that you be a jack of all trades, but I'm saying that when you're starting out in the beginning, you need to be able to handle every aspect of the business, because then you don't know at what point which type of client you're getting and what are their needs. And also, like for me, working with startups and small business owners in the past, I noticed that they may not have a lot of resources in terms of finances to invest in different people. So if you can take care of different tiny aspects of their business while they settle down and just figure out how to eye out the other aspects, then it comes really well. So find a way of just knowing how to run a business from the operational side, find a way of being able to handle customer service, find a way of having just a general aspect of marketing. I'm not saying that you get into marketing if you're not a marketer, but I'm saying that educate yourself. There are a lot of resources out there today, and there's no excuse for not starting and no excuse for not being able to do something, because there are a lot of free resources both on YouTube and Google and all these sites. So just familiarize yourself with what it means to do digital marketing, so that even if you're hired just as, for example, a virtual assistant in the operations domain, you have an understanding of what digital marketing is about. For example, for me, working with a lot of CEOs and business owners, I've always found myself handling the marketing aspect of the business. Even though that is not really my main target, I focus mostly on strategy and operations, but I have a general idea of how marketing works, right? So if in a season where I'm working for a business owner and maybe they need someone to just help with tiny aspects, then I'm able to fill in the gap. Again, whenever you're taking up this task, just ensure that you tell the business owner or the client that you're working with that, hey, this is not my area of specialty, but I have general understanding of what happens. So I'm not going to take it up as an expert, but I'm just going to take it up to help you as you find find your footing. Because otherwise, if you overpromise them or there's a misunderstanding about what you can offer, then it brings a lot of issues. In the past, I found myself wanting to give more and just pushing myself to offer more services, and I end up in two instances I've ended up having like clients feel like, oh, hey, but you told me you can do this. I'm like, no, I didn't say I can do that. I just said that I can take up. So the risk about trying to do everything is sometimes having misunderstanding when you're negotiating your rates and things like that. So what I'm saying is build yourself to be really good at one thing. So either you're really good at operations, or you're really good at customer service, or you're really good at sales and marketing, because those are the three areas that every single business will know. But also have like a general idea of the flow, and remember to always point out that, hey, this is not my area of specialty, but I'm able to help in tiny bits if you need it, just as you figure out hiring more team members to take up the role. So I hope this was beneficial to you. Even as you try to get a job out there, always try to position yourself and grow your skills around the three areas of the business. You can pick one area to really be good at, and then the other aspects to just touch a little bit on it. Then that way, the benefit of just knowing a little bit let's say you pick operations, right? And you know a little bit of marketing, and you also know a little bit of customer service. The benefit is that if you are in a season where you don't have a client taking up the operations side, then you can offer to do marketing. Just always remember again to say that this is not something you're an expert in, but you're willing to help and learn in the process. And by learning and helping in the process, you can even take a lower rate you can negotiate a lower rate just so that they give you that platform to be learning. So I hope this was beneficial in your journey to start making money online, working from home. If you have any questions, please remember to leave them in the description box below, and I will definitely answer or do another video to answer whatever question that you have. And for those small business owners or startups that are watching this video, please also check the link in the description box below. We are giving a link to a digital brand strategy guideline to just help you set up your business online and start building a successful online business. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, be bold, be authentic, and build a magnetic brand. Bye bye.